Hello everybody. Get my little helper here. This is one of my canes. Got a light on it, little mountain thing, compass. Got a little, I don't know if you can see that, it shock absorbs. A little shock absorber to it. This is a Trailblazer eye zoom. Anyway, I put these little hooks on here carabiner hooks here to hook onto my belt loop so I don't drop my cane. So anyhow, okay, so there we go. Now I'm back. This is some of my tools I used, and this is what I done today. Cleaned off car, both sides. Got the little feller across the street here doing the old ladies. Had to help him find his shovel. Anyway, if we go down here, you can also see I took care of my mailbox all the way down to the grate over there. Here's the house. Did a little bit of the eaves there to help it melt faster. As you can see, it's melting like heck. It's really warm out. Actually taking my shirt off and everything, see? Anyway, so here's our car. Like our bumper stickers. So anyway, these are our bumper stickers. You know, you gotta stand up for what you believe in. I know people just think I'm just a pothead and all, but hey, like I said, you gotta stand up for what you believe in. So, but that's our little car that Patty's son Mac gave us. So anyway, cleaned up around here and around here. Because we're in a desert here, I gotta do a lot of composting. So here's my leaves, and if I put them out on the snow, of course it helps them melt quicker. Anyway, I had to give up because when I started coming out here, started getting a little more tired, and my shovel broke too, right here, you can see. But anyway, also this little spot right here is where I stepped on my little ramp here going up under the deck, and I took a little tumble right there. So luckily it's nice and soft and packy. So, but anyway, I had a shovel here for the garbage cans too. Missed the garbage guy, but what are you gonna do? The old Beamer's got snow on it, but that'll melt. And there's our mountain back there. And there's the old sunshine. I'm gonna take care of it. Yep. Blue skies. Sure is nice. Okay. Guys, have a good day.